Hello everyone, now I'm at the most exclusive place in Istanbul. I'm at Galatasaray Island. Galatasaray Island is an island in the middle of the Bosphorus and there is a swimming pool and there are bars and restaurants here. The thing which makes this island very special is that this is the only island in the middle of the Bosphorus. And why it is exclusive? Because only Galatasaray Football Club Congress members can enter this island. I would like to make a video about how to come to this island and how this island looks like. It's quite an experience and I wanted to share it with you. I will go to Suada from my home with my scooter. My home is located in Cihangir, which is in the center of the city near Taksim, and Suada is located in Kurucesme. With my scooter, it will only take around 15 minutes to go there. And my scooter is just here. I'm going to take it and I will go to Suada. It will take me around 15 minutes to arrive to Galatasaray Island. I will pass through Kabataş, Beşiktaş, Ortaköy and Kurucesme. gonna park my motorbike and I will go to the island. I parked my motorbike just opposite to the island and now I will go and enter the island. Let me show you the Galatasaray Island from this view. This is the island. It's in the middle of the Bosphorus and it's the only natural island which is in the middle of the Bosphorus. That makes it very unique. To go to the island, I need to take a boat which is operated by the Galatasaray Sports Club. And there is a pool in the middle of the island. From here we cannot see, but I'm going to show you when we get inside. So now I will go to the boat to go to the island. I am now at the pier to go to the Galatasaray Island. So I will take the boat from here and you can see the boat coming. You can see the boat just arrived.
Helikopterimizi görebilir miyiz?
So I showed my membership card and now I'm in the boat to go to the Galatasaray Island. I just entered Suada. Now I will go to the pool section. You can see that there is a bar here and it's also a restaurant in the evenings. And the pool is just behind it. In the bar you can take beer or you can take coffee, and they also serve some food such as snacks and meatballs. And now I'm about to come to the pool. You can see the pool over here. So it's a pool in the middle of the Bosphorus. You can see that we are on the island and you can see the first Bosphorus bridge. I would like to give you information about the location and the history of Galatasaray Island. Galatasaray Island is located in the middle of the Bosphorus and it's 100 meters away from the Kurucesme, which is in the European side. You can come to the island by the ferries that are operated by the Galatasaray Football Club. About the history of the island was the property of the Ottoman Sultan. In the 1870s, the Sultan gave it to the court architect. And in the next two generations, it belonged to the family of the court architect. In 1950s, the Galatasaray Football Club purchased the island and they made it accessible to the members of the football club. The island was renovated last year in 2022 and there is a pool, a restaurant and a bar on the island. Only the members of the Galatasaray Football Club can visit the island and also their guests can come to the island. There is no entry fee for the football club members and for the guests of the football club members the entrance fee is 1000 Turkish lira, which is around $35. Now I'm at the bar section of the island and I ordered some lemonade. I will share you the menu in the bar and also I'm going to show you around the bar. The pool is closed after the sunset and the bar and restaurant still stays open. So you can also come to the bar and the restaurant in the evening. This is the menu in the bar section. This section is for the alcoholic drinks, non-alcoholic drinks. And this section is for rakı, wine, cocktails and whiskey. Also, this is the food menu and the food menu is quite rich. There are lots of items for breakfast, Turkish pizza, salads, and also we have section for the aperitifs and for the burgers and desserts. The prices are quite reasonable. For example, one cocktail is around 280 Turkish lira, which is around $10. And also one beer is around $6 here. And one coke is only 45 lira, which is around $2. And also the food section, the price in food section is also reasonable. One burger is around $8. So the prices are reasonable for the members for an island in the middle of the Bosphorus like this. In the final section, I'm going to inform you about how you can become a member of the Galatasaray Football Club to use this facility. Firstly, I need to mention that it's quite difficult to become a member of the club because the number of annual intake is quite low. The club only accepts a few hundreds new members every year and there are lots of applications. That's why I would advise you to make a good network within the club to become a member. Once you become a member of the Galatasaray Football Club, you can use the facilities of Galatasaray. This Galatasaray Island is one of them. There are also other facilities in Kalamış and in Maslı. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day in the pool. If you have any questions, you can always ask it in the comment section and I wish you a great day.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me